Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can change the language in the Twitter app on absolutely any iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also put likes under this video and write your comments. And let's get into this topic, friends. And so, if you would like to change the language in the Twitter application, or as it is now called X, it's very easy to do so without completely changing the language on the entire iPhone. First of all, folks, you're going to need to go to Settings, and then scroll down to the bottom part and open the App option. Now you will need to swipe down and find X, or else Twitter. So, open the app. Next, you will see the language option at the bottom. Click on it. Now friends, you can scroll down and select the language you want to use this app. As you can see, there are a large number of languages here. You can choose any one you want. After you select the language, go back. As you can see, immediately the language will be changed. And you can check it out by going to the Twitter app. And as you can see, I now have the main settings of the app in a different language. Friends, this is how you can easily and very quickly change the language in the X app on absolutely any iPhone. I really hope this video was useful and helpful for you, friends. Please put your likes under this video and also write your comments and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.